The light blue colors, they donate the wholesale businesses. The dark blue colors donate the retail businesses. So the first 12 years was largely in the wholesale space, with the exception of HNI broking. And over the last 5 years, we have added a lot of retail businesses, starting from retail capital markets, where we had also made an acquisition for a broking company called Anagram, which is now fully integrated into Edelweiss. We launched housing finance. We do have life insurance. And even in lending, we have added more segments like SME financing and small ticket housing loans. This will give you a 10-year snapshot of how Edelweiss has done on various financial parameters. If you look at the revenue CAGR of 70%, profit after tax adjusted for insurance 81%, which is even higher than the rate at which our revenues have grown, which shows increasing profitability across years. If you look at the slide, I think it's interesting to note that both revenue and profits have grown higher than the people growth, which indicates higher productivity and higher profitability per employee. I think two important things. First is risk, which perhaps I think from a debenture holder point of view is very primary. Something which is part of our ethos, is part of our foundation, is the culture of risk management. And I think it pervades across business units and it pervades across hierarchy. And we have a very simple metric of two questions to be asked before taking any risk. Is the risk worth it? Which basically means, is the risk worth the reward which you will get if it goes right? And second, can you afford the risk? Even if the risk reward is good, we don't like to take very big bets on one single risk. We like to diversify. And that's how you will see how the diversification of business and within business unit diversification across product and client segmentation has happened. There is a very strong governance framework which includes a risk committee which has been at a board level for last 6 years. And last and definitely not the least, this has become extremely important as we have expanded our footprint in the retail space. I think one of the big opportunities and challenges in today is how do you deliver a superior customer experience. And we have embarked on a journey here, and this is something which again is imbibed at the last mile, right from the CEO of the organization to the last mile in the organization. And we've tried to simplify it so that each and every person can understand it. Very simply, in Hindi it's called Suno Samjho Suljhao, which if you expand it means first listen to your client, then understand his or her needs and respond in an effective manner to resolve or solve what his or her problems are. This is a credo which we have taken, and there are a lot of trainings, initiatives and measurement around these three credos. Of course, as all of you would recognize, this is a journey which has to continue, it's not a destination. But we believe that this will be an important hallmark of Edelweiss as Edelweiss grows, especially in the retail businesses. With this, I will hand it over to Anil to talk a little bit more about the issuing company.